Okay, this video is going to cover the awning relay change or channel change. So the first thing you need to do is update the app. So you find the Google Play Store, and then you search J command, and then you click on J command. Now for me, I'm going to go ahead and uninstall the app first. And then I'm going to go ahead and install the app. So last updated 18 July. I'm sure it's so we'll let this update. Okay, so go ahead and open it. Allow. Pair it. Okay, so we've updated the app. Now the example for this one is on this one, this is a NORTHPOINTL LF. So we're assuming that the #1 awning is not working on this NORTHPOINTL LF. So we go into the configuration. We configure new system, JCO, NORTHPOINTL. And then down here, you will see a new one. So you don't want to click the 1LF. You want to scroll to the bottom, find the one that says 1LF. And now this one says XCH6_1LF. The CH6 is channel 6. So we're going to go ahead and click this. We're going to select everything that it had before. Whatever it might have on there, not selecting RVC, air conditioning, or anything like that. We're going to hit next. It will confirm the serial number. You'll lose your Bluetooth icon, and then it'll come back. Okay, Bluetooth icon's back, and now the screen is full color. So we come down here, A1. Yeah, so A2, A1. So it's a little out of sequence on here, but that's okay. Go into the motor page, awning 2 and awning 1. Awning 1's now at the bottom, so those two are out of sequence, but they're still there. Now, remember what it said, the CH6? So this is what we're looking for down here. So the awning's normally on CH7, then channel 8, and here's channel 6. So these two wires are now going to get moved to this channel. So we're going to go ahead and unplug those. Okay, so I've moved the wires from channel 7 to channel 6. And then what the customer should do at this point is go and test the awning and just go ahead and hit extend and retract and see which way is extending and which way is retracting, because they might have to switch these wires around if it's doing the opposite thing. But that's the gist of what we're doing here for the awning relay remap. Okay, we're going to do another example here of what we just talked about on the 1LF. So on this one, we'll go into out system, and this one's a Pinnacle now. So it's a R, model year R, and then a 1RL. So we'll go back and we'll go into general settings. Now for this example, the idea is to go into update existing options first and note what is all checked off. So just in case they don't know if they have an RBC inverter or solar or whatever they might not understand or might not have reference to, go in here, figure out what they have, take note of it. That's what they should do. Once they've done that, they can back up and then hit configure new system. So Jayco, this was a Pinnacle R model year, and then the 1RL, and then we'll scroll down, we'll find the 1RL. Now on this one, it's channel 5, so we'll go ahead and click that. We'll click all the things that it had before, whatever it had on there from the notes that we took. Hit next, we'll confirm. Bluetooth icon will go away, and eventually it'll come back and the screen will return to full color. Once you've done that, you'll locate the actual node itself, and on this one it's still in channel 7. That's because Awning 1's always in channel 7, but instead of moving it to channel 6 like in the last example, we're going to find channel 5, which is right here, and we'll just move these wires from channel 7 all the way down here to channel 5. So again, same thing. Another example, we can just go in here and kind of play around. If it's an Eagle, we'll call it, we'll say an Eagle fifth wheel, you know, P, what is it, WA, moves to channel 5. So all these W's move to channel 5. What else could this be? Seismic luxury. There's new floor plans for this. And you'll have a list of reference if a customer does have an open channel or not to move to. This also applies to the mini node, which they can do from their cell phone. This is the example for the Maxi Node and the full-size screen.